ARTISTE D1 TV headphones, use and troubleshooting. This video will show you how to use ARTISTE D1 TV headphone. First, open the product's package. Please note the batteries have been installed in the right ear cover in our factory. You can adjust the headband to the most comfortable degree as you like. Charging correctly. Please charge the headset for 6 hours before using it. Firstly, connect the adapter to the DC in jack. Other side to your family electronic power. Turn on it. You will see the LED blue light flash for 6 seconds. In order to charge correctly, please retract the headband and ensure the headset is turned off. Touch the charging port. Put the headphone into the base, then the green light will be on. Please note if headband is not retracted, maybe cannot charge well. So please check if the charging pins are in good contact when charging. When the battery is fully charged, the LED green light will be off. For test. Before connect the transmitter to TV, please connect to 4 by 3.5 mm to RCA cable to test the item. Play for music. Connect the transmitter to your 4 by 3.5 mm to RCA cable. Then connect power to the base. Turn on base. The power light will flash blue for about 10 times, and then stay blue. Turn on the headphone. LED light on the left from red to green, indicating the headphone and the base are connected successfully. You will hear sound. If no sound, please turn up the volume of the mobile phone and headphone. If it is still unsuccessful, please contact us and tell us the detailed operation process. Connection. Before connect the transmitter to your TV, please disconnect other audio output with your TV, like soundbar, which may affect the headphones working. There are 4 connecting ways: 3.5 mm AUX, RCA cable, coaxial cable, and optical cable. It's recommended to use the optical adapter connection firstly, because it works best. Firstly, I will introduce optical cable connection. First, connect the base to your TV with optical cable. One side to base optical port, other side to your TV optical port. Get power to the base and turn on it. Keep the switch to optical and switch to -8 dB. Turn on TV and play sound. Turn on headphone. Green light on the headphone will be on. You will hear sound. If no sound, please adjust your TV audio setting. If you can't read clearly in here, please read the manual. Then I will show you how to connect with 3.5 mm cable. First, connect 3.5 mm to RCA cable to the audio in port of the transmitter by color. And the other side, connect to your TV 3.5 mm audio out jack. Please notice it is audio out, not audio in port. Then connect power to the base. Turn on it. The LED light turns to blue brightly. For TV, DVD, Hi-Fi, switch to -8 dB. For CD, MP3, iPod, or smartphone, switch to 0 dB and switch the option to audio. And at this moment for TV, switch to -8 dB. Then turn on TV and play sound. Take out the headphone. Press the power button for 2 seconds, and you will see LED light on the left turns from red to green, indicating the headphone and the base are connected successfully. Then you will hear sound. Please turn up the volume of the headphone and your TV, and adjust your TV audio setting. And for RCA cable connection, it's similar to the 3.5mm steps. Just connect the base to your TV with the RCA to RCA cable, and then connect the other side to your TV RCA audio out port. Please notice it is audio out, not audio in. Then connect power to the base. Turn on it. The LED light turns to blue brightly. Keep the switch to audio and switch to -8 dB. Then turn on TV and play sound. Take out the headphone, turn on headphone, and you will see LED light on the left turns to green, indicating the headphone and the bass are connected successfully. Then you will hear sound. If no sound, please adjust your TV audio setting and turn up the volume of the headphone and your TV. Coaxial cable connection is similar to RCA cable. Just connect on one side of the coaxial cable to your TV and other side to the base. And keep switch to coaxial. And switch to -8 dB. Then turn on TV and play sound. Turn on your headphone, and you will see LED light on the left turns to green. So the connection is successful, then you will hear sound. If no sound, please adjust your TV audio setting and turn up the volume of the headphone and your TV. Troubleshooting. Here I will explain the problems that you may meet and how to deal with them. Unsuccessful pairing. Make sure the transmitter is connected with your TV and turn on your TV and play sound. Turn off the power of base, then turn on. Turn off the headset. Press and hold the headset for about 3 seconds. The headphone power light from red to green, indicating pairing success.
If also has problem, please try to repair them. The step as below. Turn the power button to off transmitter. Turn off the headphone. Then turn on the headphone and non-press power button of headphone. The red light will change to flash green. Then put the headphone aside, no longer need to press. Turn on the power button to on off the transmitter. You will hear a beep from the headphone, and then headphone change from flash green to steady green light, indicates successful pairing. Note, please remember let the headphone flash green light, then turn on the power button to on off the transmitter. If you do not follow the sequence, the connection will be unsuccessful.
Only one side can hear the sound. The normal reason is that the RCA cable is connected to the audio and video jacks on the TV, and it can only output one channel. Please plug RCA cables into the RCA audio output port of the TV. If it still does not work, please use a 3.5mm or optical adapter connection way to test whether also meet the same problem. The sound is noisy. Note, other 2.4G wireless devices may interfere with the signal of the headset, such as routers, and so on, keeping them away from the transmitter. Cable was not fully inserted. Make sure the cable is fully inserted. The headphone no sound. Please ensure that the volume of the headset and the TV are turned up. Please ensure that the connection cable is plugged into the audio output port, not input port. Please ensure TV setting is right. Here, I have to emphasize that this headset will automatically shut down with no audio input, or audio sound is too weak for 5 minutes. The headset will automatically enter the power saving mode You'll need to reopen the audio and restart the headset if you see it again. After connecting, the headphones have sound, but the TV has no sound. Normally, 3.5mm AUX connection only supports that headphone receives sound, while TV is no sound, and using RCA and optical connection, both TV and headphone get sound. If still no sound, please see the manual for details about setting TV audio. For watching TV quietly around, click Mute key to close the TV speaker by TV remote, but for some TVs, the TV speaker will be silent and only the headset works. It depends on TV's circuit design. We suggest buyers to consult the TV manufacturer for more details. Some written reports reflect that transmission distance is less than 100 feet. 100 feet is a straight line transmission distance at the open area. The signal will be affected by the wall or people, or interfered by other wireless devices like router. If you cannot find the TV settings we instructed at the above steps, please contact your TV's factory. That's all, thank you.